Park Nicollet has been treating eating disorders for more than 20 years. Here at the new Melrose Institute, we're revolutionizing care. Our patients, along with their care team, are able to personalize their own treatment. From physical recovery and nutrition to life skills, they're choosing courses that support their own individual needs. Join us for a celebration at the Melrose Institute on Thursday, May 21st to see how we're healing eating disorders together. To learn more, visit stayhealthymn.com.